everyone, so today we're going to go plant shopping. I'm looking to find some cheap deals on some plants to fill in some gaps, and we'll see if I can find anything unique like a nice rose or something. So I'm going to take you along with me for the ride on this, and you never know, maybe we'll end up looking for miniature roses too. We'll see where this journey leads and how much time we have. Okay, so the first place we're stopping at is going to be Home Depot to see if we can find any deals and see if anything new is there. I haven't been here for a while, and so we'll see what they got and if there's any sale racks. That's the first thing. So that's step number one to keeping our costs down gardening, is looking for the sales. So let's do it. As soon as I see a rack that says clearance plants, I am drawn to it immediately. And on this rack, it's all about Asiatic lilies. They are on sale at $2 a pot. And they're various colors. A lot of red, orange, red, orange. We're gonna go through these. Red, orange. I think most of them are red, orange. We might luck out and find something different. Red, orange. Just gonna walk around to the other side and see. So that gets my attention. So step number one for being frugal, hunt down the deals. Oh, rose red. And these are kind of finished, but still good fillers. So this one's a yellow. You can see the flowers are spent. But I mean, where do you get plants for $2? This is a heck of a deal. So I'm going to take some of these home to fill the gaps, and the squirrels usually leave lilies alone that are already partially grown. Okay, so $2 a piece. I have 6 of them in the cart. That's $12. That is a steal right there. Yes, I'm getting a lot of the same color. I did grab the one yellow that I found here. I don't think I see anything else that is different. Yeah, they're all rose red or red orange. But this is what I mean for sales. If you're gonna go shopping and you wanna fill gaps in your garden, look for the deals. Because I mean, lilies at $2 for full-grown lilies is well worth it. This is basically planning for next year. So I got red, orange, rose red, and one yellow. That is what's in my cart. Okay, let's see what else I got. So that's a win right there. So we're just gonna go through here and see what we got. And I'm in the vegetable area, so you can see I'm in peppers and cucumbers and those things. The plants are massively huge, and they're $20 for those big plants. On the other side, we have peppers at $7.98, a variety of herbs. Here we have melons. So if you need to start some melons at $3.59 a pot, especially watermelon, which is super expensive right now at $10 a watermelon, pretty darn crazy. Growing them at plant at $3.59 and some water and stuff and some love is a good deal. Cucumbers, they have a bunch of oriental lilies. Now, here's a tip for you guys. These are not selling, and these are gorgeous. Check these out. The smell of these is just amazing. Aren't they beautiful? Loving them. Oh, they're so fragrant. It's fantastic. So it looks like tonight's special is just lilies, but I'm going to quickly walk through here and see if there's anything else. So they have John Davis climbing roses here. That's something that I will probably get a couple more of once I get my arbors built for my new area. Lots of clematis. All different kinds. Oh, pinata, climbing rose. Check this out, you guys. Oh, please tell me she works in my zone as my cart rolls away. USD Zone 4. She is worth a shot. What is her price? She is free? I'm all about free. Do any of you grow pinata? Let me know. I'm just trying to find a price tag on her. Now, I've been told that if you're in Zone 3, you can go to USD Zone 4. So she is worth giving it a try. But I cannot find the price tag on it. Talk about an ultraviolet bloom. There's no price on this, so I guess I'll find out at the till. But I am going to challenge the zone with this one because, well, it's right up my color alley. I love oranges. Oh, it's striking. Check it out, you guys. That's a good find. Now for some more eye candy, you guys. Here's the Nicotinas. They are looking good. Everything's beautiful. It's a nice night here. It's calm. There's not a lot of wind. Perfect for me doing a video because it gets windy. Then it's so hard to keep the distortion down. We got geraniums. I'm just going to kind of scan the aisles as I go by on the bedding plants. They got packs of mixed coleus. They're $6.98 for the mixed packs. Lots of little dahlias here. Aren't they beautiful? And look at the one over there looking at me. Look at that dahlia with the white tips. I love the white tips. It makes them really stand out. These are really super nice arrangements that they did. They are $37.49, but aren't they beautiful? All right, we're in another section here, and this is the proven winners section. And they still have bubblegum plants, so note to self, I might come back and buy 3 of those later on, but not tonight. Tonight I'm all about deals and rare items. We are looking at here Luscious Pinkberry Blend by Proven Winners. And Truffula Pink. Those are pretty cool. Those weren't here last year. And verbenas. These aren't Proven Winners, but they're verbenas. On the other side of the aisle, we have a lot more mixed containers. And these are $39.99. They have a variety of plants in them. Over here we have shade containers all mixed up for $25, $80, $98. And then we have a rack of plants that are dying, so we'll wait for those to come on sale, although I don't think it's gonna be anything worth buying. Over here we have our bugleweeds, and you get a whole tray for $14.98. One long tray. Or is it a 6-pack? Nope. It's a 9-pack. 6-pack. I can't count. Go figure. All different kinds of bugleweed. We'll just keep going. More fillers. Japanese spurge. Isn't that nice? Check this out. Okay, you guys, so this is interesting. Check out these big barrels. And I mean, they're big. Rob, stand beside a barrel so we can see how big they are. Look at that. Now, they might be something you can use in the garden. However, like Rob just mentioned, some people just add water to these.
Will it grow?
So I'll let you take that one away because you can figure out what I mean by that. I won't say it out loud, but these are authentic aged oak barrels. So I suspect that you can do something other than gardening with them and still get some enjoyment out of it. Just saying. Rob was quick to figure that out with the barrels, what could be done with it, that you could sit out on a patio and have a nice evening with. Yeah, go figure. That's a new one for me. Now I'm just checking out the pots, what they have for pots, what they have for large plants over here. They're really pricey, you guys, to be honest, but hey, it depends what you want. If you're looking for something unique, it's okay. I do need some iron. A couple of my potentillas are looking a little too yellow. So let's just check out what they got here for that. Tree and shrub fertilizer spikes. I might have to pick up a bag of that. Vegetable and tomato. I need iron. Do they have iron in these? Bone meal. It's always bone meal. It's the evergreen spikes that I need that will have iron. I'm gonna take a package of them. You never know when you can use them. Unless I can find something cheaper here. All about being cheap, guys. Fertilizer spikes. I think this is it. Evergreens. $6.99. That's my price range. We're gonna give this one a go. Hi everyone, so we made it home and we had a nice Vietnamese supper, so I couldn't talk. So I just showed you what we ate, which was Rob had a combination platter. We had some Vietnamese spring rolls that had pork in them, and then I had their seafood noodle soup, which is my favorite, that has shrimp and clams, mussels, fish balls in it. It's more of a tom yum kind of broth. And I just love it, full of rice noodles, and it was fabulous. And we go there every so often, and the name of the place is Via Thai. So that was wonderful. It was a nice wind-up to our evening. So I feel like I lucked out. I got 2 climbing roses, pinatas, and then I got those Asiatic lilies at $2 a piece, so I picked up $12 worth. So although they won't bloom this year, they will provide some pretty color next year. So, you know, even though it's still only June, you can still plan for the following year. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And by the way, YouTube did grant me some monetization, and they're letting me set up subscription services. So it's on my community site, a bit of information about it. You can have a look. There is no pressure to sign up for any of those subscriptions and that, but it is there and it's part of the process. So I have to offer it to you as an option. Whether you use it or not, it's totally up to you. So thank you very much. Bye everyone.